Hey folks, welcome to part 27 of Java series. In this video, we will talk about abstraction in Java. Basic or general definition of abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details from the user and showing only the functionality which is required to the user. So we will understand how do we achieve the abstraction. Get started. So now I'll create a new class. Let's call it as abstraction. Get this and then finish. Okay. Now, so what we did is we have already a class, right? Now we will create another class. Okay. So we will create another class. Let's call the class as class bank. Okay. So bank, there can be different types of accounts. It can be a saving account, it can be a fixed deposit account, or it can be OD account. There could be different types of accounts. What we will do is let's create a method public void savings. Let's say savings is one method that we have. So it has a statement that this is a savings account. Okay. Same way we will write for FD account. Okay. This is a FD account. We will have another class, right? Talked about another class, public void. We want this to be um OD account, right? But don't know what implementation I have to do now. So I don't know what exactly I have to do. Even if I leave it blank, that also works. But if someone has implemented and lately they find that there is no method body inside and there is nothing that works, it will be a difficult for them. So for that reason, if we have such type of scenario, we can declare it as abstract method. How to do that? I'll say abstract. But when we have this abstract, let's remove this curly braces and we will end it with semicolon. Okay. Still it is giving some errors. What is that error? It says that whenever we have any abstract method, we have to declare the class also as an abstract. So we will make the bank as abstract. Now it works fine, right? So we can achieve abstraction through using the abstract keyword and also through the interface. But here we will talk about how we can achieve it using abstract keyword. The first way is we can use the abstract keyword and make the particular class as an abstract class. Abstract class can have both an abstract method or abstract method. Both of them, it can have. Now, let's talk about how is if I want to create an object and access these method. How can we do that? I'll create the object of bank. Okay. And now I'll try to call this obj dot. See, but still there is, it shows some error, right? What does it say? It say that cannot instantiate the bank, type bank. So which means that we cannot create the object of abstract class. So what we can do now? So we will create another class. Now we got to know we cannot instantiate the abstract class. Let's create another class. Let's say class called bank um, something like 123. Okay. And then here, what I'll do, I'll send this particular abstract method. Let's see. extends bank. So as soon as I extend this bank, it throws an error. It says that add unimplemented method. Okay. Otherwise, you can make the bank 123 as an abstract. So what is what we are doing right now is, suppose say if we have an abstract class, then any class which implements this uh, or which extends this class, abstract class, has to implement the method. Unimplemented method will be there. So then it enforces, it is mandatory to implement that. Case if I don't want to implement it at that time, I can make this class also as an abstract class. Okay, so that's how. Like suppose say I don't have any uh, implemented method. I have all the abstract methods. There. Okay, make this try. Okay. Now it will throw is add unimplemented method. So at that time, if I just select this, it will provide me all the methods which are unimplemented. Okay. So now using this, we can actually implement the unimplemented method. Let's say something like system.out.println. Okay. And now we will try to create the object of this bank 123. Okay. 123. And then we will create the object of this. And then now using this, it will allow us to, let's remove this and let's say obj dot. Now we will be able to access all the accounts or the methods, right? So we will execute this. Yes, this is a saving account. So it got printed. Okay. Another thing what we have to remember is, what if I can create, suppose if this has some implemented method, how can I execute that? So with this also it works, right? But what can we do? Can we create a reference of abstract class? Yes, we can create reference of abstract class. We cannot create the object of abstract class, but still we can create the reference of it. So hope this explains the concept of abstraction. Hope you all have liked this video. If you have liked it, please do like it, share it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.